Hey guys, so we are back. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free. And let's go ahead and get started.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now.
So as I stated in the last video, if you're not aware of the first initial video of Hola Prime, I basically went over a brief overview of Hola Prime and what they have to offer. In this video, guys, I'm basically going to go over the process of creating your account. So as I already stated to you guys before, they are having a special. It's more specifically a New Year's special. So you buy one account, you get one extra account for free. So you basically have more chances of becoming successful. So if you did not do well in the first challenge, you're able to basically try again in the second challenge that you get for free, right? So basically, we're going to go over some frequently asked questions first that you guys have been asking me about. I do want to let you guys know that I have not created a challenge or purchased a challenge just yet at this time, simply because we are in the holiday season. If you are aware or if you are a part of my trading signal group, you know we are not actually getting back started trading until January 6th. If you don't know the reasoning as to why I choose not to trade during the holidays, I do have a video here on my channel that goes over the reasonings as to why I do not specifically trade during the holidays. But as like just a brief summary, just to kind of give you an idea, is basically, the market's really not moving as much during the holiday season. And, I just rather save all of my profits that I've earned instead of lose any extra money. So I would just rather wait until the market is back into its consistency for me to actually feel comfortable of getting back into the market and being able to actually trade. So as I stated to you guys before, it does take a payout process to be within 1 hour. Now, the payouts are going to only be processed on business days only. So when I say business days, that is going to be Monday through Friday, okay? So this is not Saturday and Sunday, none at all, right? Another question that you guys asked was, what are the different methods of how to receive your funds? One of the big things that I love about Hola Prime is that they have many different options and opportunities for you to receive your funds. So you can do a bank wire, cryptocurrencies, of course. So if you're familiar with getting your funds in Bitcoin or ETH, etc., you have those options. And then as well as PayPal. Now, with PayPal, the minimum amount is going to be $20. However, with these different payout methods, the firm is not going to actually charge you no extra fees on their end. So that's a good thing. However, when it comes to PayPal, you must be able to have an amount more than or a minimum of $20 to be able to get your withdrawals, right? They also have another platform, which is known as Wise. But with this platform, the minimum amount for you to withdraw is going to be $500. And then with this platform, there is going to be a flat fee of $25. So there's many different options. If you are in a country that only goes through this process of Wise, just keep that in mind that you do have to make sure that you have $500 or more in your profits of being able to withdraw. Some other things that they have is that they have an academy, they have a Prime Academy as well as trading coaches, just so that you can get an idea of what they offer with the Prime Academy. Basically, it's an academy to help elevate your trading skills, and they do offer comprehensive learning that is designed to help empower you as a prop trader, especially if you're going to use them. They do go over the reasonings as to why you should tailor your learning experience with this Prime Academy. And then they also have many different videos and articles for you to read about the academy so that you can get some more understanding within the market. So this is something that I really do find beneficial, especially if you are a beginner trader. I think this is an awesome opportunity that Hola Prime offers to their traders so that you're getting absolutely everything needed to become successful with the challenges. Hola Prime is definitely unique when it comes to making sure that they're providing all of the education needed so that you're able to become successful within the market. And then also, they do have some trading coaches as well. So, one of the trading coaches is going to be Christopher. It does say to book here. So, let's see what that says. So it says send us a message to book a session with our trading coach. Kindly share your preferred time and date. And then it looks like they do have a request of calling back. So this is something that is, I would say, very unique for Hola Prime as far as a prop firm. It does go over a brief biography of Christopher, where it says he has over 20 years of experience in technical analysis and market prediction. It tells about what type of trader he is, and what he looks into as far as what does he normally trade. And it looks like he's looking to trade into currencies, indices, as well as commodities. It just briefly gives an overview of Christopher. And so it looks like you can go ahead and book an appointment with Christopher and possibly ask him some questions. All right. So you're going to go ahead and press log in. I already have an account with Hola Prime already. So this is what your account is going to look like once you sign up, right? So they're going to ask you some of the questions, basic questions that they typically ask you, like your first, your last name, your email, your phone number, things in that nature, right? So this is what your side of your portfolio is going to look like. Of course, I have not picked a challenge just yet because, again, guys, I'm not trading until January 6th. So I want to be mindful with the accounts that I'm wanting to get and choose to make sure that it's appropriate for me, right? Another cool thing that I do love about Hola Prime, guys, this is a really big thing, is that they offer a free trial. All of the many different prop firms that I have tried out in my past, as you guys are aware of, they never had a free trial. Okay. This free trial gives you an opportunity to have access to Hola Prime for 14 days. Okay. The minimum trading days for this free trial is going to be 2 days, which is very easy. This is definitely a good opportunity for you to get an idea if you are capable of passing the challenge. So if you are a beginner trader, if you are somebody who is looking into a potential prop firm, I think you should take this opportunity and take advantage of this to see if this is something that you are capable of accomplishing. Okay. They do have a leaderboard, so you can get an idea of who's the top person so far. They let you know about the country where they're from. And then they let you know about the position and the name of the person. So this is giving you an idea that these are real people actually making profits within Hola Prime. Another unique thing about Hola Prime is that they're able to provide an economic calendar. This is very, very important, especially if you are a news trading trader. Okay. If you're someone who look at the news and trade based off the news, this is definitely a resourceful calendar to use. Also, pertaining to the other strategies or indicators that you use when it comes to news trading, right? Another big thing with Hola Prime is that you must be KYC verified. The verification process is very simple and very easy. The platform that they use is completely safeguarded and is very fast, guys. I literally did it today. And it only took maybe roughly 5 to 10 minutes. All they did was, of course, scan my face for verification, and they did ask for my identification, whether it be your ID, your driver's license, or passport. They do request a picture of it from the front and the back, and then, of course, a picture of your face to make sure that you are who you are referencing from your identification, right? If you're looking for accountability, I do suggest for you to be a part of my trading VIP signal group so that you're able to not only get trading signals for me, but you also have the accountability perspective of making sure that you're getting into that market. So you're not wasting your money, guys. I know that a lot of you guys have reached out to me and told me numerous of times that you're looking for a prop firm that is, more affordable and able to give you the gains and profits that you're looking for. However, you may not have that money. When it comes to Whole Prime, you can get a $5,000 account for only $48, guys. That is not bad at all. And I think you guys should definitely take advantage of it, especially since they're promoting the buy one, get one free promotion. I just wanted to briefly go over Whole Prime. This is basically a review part two and something just to get an idea of what to look forward to coming into the new year of 2025, guys. I'm super excited to try Whole Prime out in the new year and be successful when it comes to passing their challenges. So I hope you guys are able to tune in into this new journey of mine as I navigate through Whole Prime and go through the challenges that they have to offer and see what challenge works for me. And yeah, guys, so I'm super excited. If you found that this video was very informative, please go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.